The Nike Shox Z brings back the iconic 2000 Shox cushioning, now rebuilt with a lighter, more modern feel. Its deep British stand-upper uses a woven textile filled with subtle bumps, giving a 3D, multi-layered texture that shifts with movement. Matte black accents, especially the sharp swoosh and sculpted Shox columns, create a strong contrast that highlights the shoe's sleek and forward-leaning silhouette. From top view, the slender shape and tapered heel add an airy look, while the rounded outsole pattern softens ground impact for smoother steps. The knit's varying densities, intricate stitching, and flowing textures blend performance and design with a calm but powerful character. Each step shows off the warm earth tone, organic detailing, and the signature rebound of the Shox system. Designed for everyday wear, the Shox Z stands out naturally, offering modern style, quiet confidence, and functional cushioning for today's streets.